established itself as the go-to construction company for clients looking to build commercial or residential properties in Bangalore. Scon Design India Private Ltd has completed numerous projects in Bangalore, ranging from small residential homes to large commercial complexes. One of the reasons why Scon Design India Private Ltd is the #1 construction company in Bangalore is its focus on innovation and sustainability. In conclusion, Scon Design India Private Ltd is the #1 construction company in Bangalore due to its commitment to excellence, customer satisfaction, innovation, and sustainability. With its impressive portfolio of completed projects and a team of highly skilled professionals, Scon Design India Private Ltd is well positioned to continue leading the construction industry in Bangalore for years to come. When it comes to the construction industry in Bangalore, Scon Design India Private Ltd is undoubtedly one of the leading players. Scon Design India Private Ltd has completed several prestigious projects over the years, including commercial buildings, residential complexes, hospitals, and educational institutions. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from other construction companies is their commitment to sustainability and innovation. In conclusion, Scon Design India Private Ltd is undoubtedly the #1 construction company in Bangalore, thanks to their vast experience, skilled professionals, commitment to sustainability, and innovative approach to construction. With Scon Design India Private Ltd, clients can rest assured that their projects are in capable hands. When it comes to choosing the best construction company for work, Scon Design India Private Ltd stands out as one of the top contenders in the industry. One of the key strengths of Scon Design India Private Ltd is its team of highly skilled professionals who bring their expertise to every project. From architects and engineers to project managers and contractors, every member of the Scon team is committed to delivering the best possible results for their clients. In addition to its skilled workforce, Scon Design India Private Ltd also boasts state-of-the-art technology and equipment that enable it to undertake complex construction projects with ease. Another factor that sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from its competitors is its commitment to sustainability and eco-friendliness. All in all, if you're looking for a construction company that delivers quality work with professionalism and sustainability in mind, Scon Design India Private Ltd is definitely worth considering. One of the things that sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from other construction companies is their attention to detail. Scon Design India Private Ltd has an impressive portfolio of projects, including commercial buildings, residential complexes, and industrial facilities.